Life is filled with challenges that most people navigate effortlessly. But for the visually impaired, the world is a labyrinth of obstacles. Traditional solutions like white canes and guide dogs are not just inadequate, they're also expensive and time-consuming. Imagine spending nearly $40,000 in 2 years to train a guide dog, only to still face limitations. Enter the GUIDi, an AI smart belt invented by AI Guided, a groundbreaking solution that redefines mobility like a guiding buddy. This isn't just a belt, it's a revolution in personal guidance systems. Equipped with cutting-edge AI vision, edge computation, and haptics, this wearable device is your personal guide in a complex world. Clip it on, and the transformation is immediate. GUIDi's AI vision scans your environment in real time, identifying obstacles and calculating a clear path for you. No more tapping canes or tripping over unseen hurdles. The haptics on the waist guide you directly, ensuring you're always headed in the right direction. But what sets this belt apart is its adaptability. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, it can adjust to your needs. It's not tethered to Wi-Fi or GPS, giving you the freedom to explore any environment, day or night. GUIDi also detects people passing by, ensuring you're not just aware of static obstacles, but also dynamic elements in your surroundings. And there's more. It comes with an intuitive app featuring AI map routing. This means you're not just limited to obstacle-free paths, you can also set destinations and let the belt guide you there. It's like having a personal GPS that you can feel, not just hear. With GUIDi's, you're not just moving through life, you're owning it. This is more than a product, it's a commitment to making the world accessible for everyone. Join us in this journey toward a more inclusive future. Because with AI Guided, you're not just surviving, you're thriving.